If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that grows into a completely different life, it would be this. Rich women are not created by money, they are created by psychology. Because wealth doesn't start in the bank, it starts in the mind, the standards, and the energy a woman carries. You can give two women the exact same opportunity. One will multiply it, the other will lose it. Not because of luck, but because of how they think, how they carry themselves, and what they tolerate. The psychology of rich women is built on three powerful things: confidence, boundaries, and emotional discipline. A rich woman is not defined by her clothes, her car, or her lifestyle. She's defined by her self concept. She doesn't beg for validation. She doesn't chase attention. She doesn't shrink herself to be accepted. A rich woman moves through the world with a quiet belief: I am valuable. And when a woman truly believes she's valuable, something powerful happens. She stops negotiating her worth. She stops over explaining. She stops proving herself to people who never deserve access to her in the first place. Her energy becomes different, calmer, stronger, more selective, because she understands something many people never learn. Confidence is the foundation of power. But confidence alone is not enough. Rich women protect their energy through boundaries. They say no without guilt. They walk away from situations that drain them. They do not allow disrespect, chaos, or manipulation into their lives. Why? Because every distraction steals time. Every toxic relationship steals focus, and focus is one of the most valuable currencies in the world. Rich women are also emotionally disciplined. They don't react to everything, they don't explode over every inconvenience, they don't let temporary emotion destroy long term goals. They pause, they think, they respond strategically. Because emotional discipline allows a woman to make powerful decisions instead of emotional ones. And powerful decisions build powerful lives. But there is another secret to the psychology of rich women: their environment. They intentionally surround themselves with people who expand their thinking, people who talk about ideas, growth, opportunities, vision, not constant drama, not endless complaining, not small thinking, because your environment silently shapes your ambition. And rich women understand that proximity matters. The people around you either normalize growth or normalize limitations. They choose environments where ambition is respected, not mocked, where discipline is admired, not questioned, where success is expected. So, if you want to adopt the psychology of rich women, start here. Build unshakable confidence. Protect your energy with strong boundaries. Develop emotional discipline. And place yourself in environments where growth is the standard. Because wealth is never just about money, it's about how you think, what you tolerate, and who you become. And when a woman masters her psychology, success stops being luck, it becomes inevitable. Thank you for being here.